This resolution rightly acknowledges that during the month of Ramadan, we must recommit to peace. Hamas can do that by accepting the deal on the table.
The United Nations Security Council adopted a resolution calling for an immediate ceasefire in Gaza for the month of Ramadan. The US abstained and did not veto this resolution. 14 council members voted for the resolution. For this resolution to be executed and humanitarian aid to reach Gaza, Hamas has to immediately and unconditionally release hostages. US Ambassador Linda Thomas stated this resolution could have been implemented months ago if Hamas did not stand in the way of peace. This resolution fails to acknowledge that Israel is committing genocide. It also fails to elaborate on what is to happen after the holy month of Ramadan. However, this is a success from the United Nations Security Council, as this is the first time such a prominent resolution pertaining Gaza has been passed.